Our goal with PREDICT is to find new viruses, but not just on a local scale. We're talking about finding new viruses on a global scale. Our strategy is to use consensus PCR as our main tool to test for different viral families. The reason is that it's very cheap, implementable, and sensitive, and can find both known and new viruses. We can screen a large number of samples and get a sense of what diversity of viruses exist within the samples that we collect. One of the things we can learn is how a new virus is related to other viruses within that family. So whether it's something we're concerned about like SARS or MERS, if we're talking about coronaviruses, for example. From there, we can decide if we need to generate additional data to learn more about this virus. If we do, we can test that sample through next-generation sequencing. We can't do that with all samples because it's much more expensive technology, so we need to be able to prioritize them. Another benefit of next-generation sequencing is that it allows us to look for viruses that are really quite different and new. Therefore, we complement our main PCR testing strategy with deep sequencing to be sure we don't miss viruses in samples, and that way we can get a better picture of what viruses are out there.